Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. And as usual, today I'm here to help you complete your daily ritual on Memefi. Okay, and today the code for the combo, okay, is a very simple one, and it is 4 2 4 2 2 2 2 4. Okay, a very simple code. So as you can see from the numbers, this is a combination of just two numbers, and that means we are going to deal with only two areas. Okay, we are going to deal with only two parts of the character we have here. So we will be dealing with this area below where I've drawn the line. Okay, so the mouth area, and then this area. Okay, this place. So we are dealing, you can tap on the mouth. Okay, so we are dealing with the mouth, and then the legs. Okay, the legs is the 4. Whenever you see 4, whenever there is 4 in the code, that means you are dealing with the leg. And then whenever you see 2, it means you are dealing with the mouth and the neck area. Okay, so let me try and see. Let me use my mouse so that you can see the pointer going to these places. Okay, yes, so let me try. Okay, it's 4 2 4 2 2 2 2 4. So that's 4 2 4 2 2 2 2 4. Okay, let me try it this time. I'll be fast with it. 4 2 4 2 2 2 2 4. So guys, that's it. The code is very simple, so just be trying that and you will get it. So that will be all for the video. Subscribe to the channel and please like the video and share. See you in my next video.